gentlemen, once again, the safety edit of our Mr. and Mrs. Apuan. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Made by the Store.
You give life, you are love. Looking back at our story, I see God's hand weaving our strings together long before we even knew each other's names.
I praise God dahil daw ang naging kasagutan niya sa aking panalangin. Alam mo, sa ang blessing na pinagkatiwala sa akin.
It's finally happening. Picture na kita. But before that, here's my single gift for you to remind you how blessed I am to have you. Yun. Patigin pa lang ng gift to. Mamaya na yung pasabog na regalo. Makinig ka! Makinig ka! Love you, Bob.
You give life, you are love, you belong to
Kaya pala ako, no? Ang pagkakaroon ng kanya. Huwag naman, mahal na make up. Hi, love. Very sweet. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Okay mo na lang underneath it. I love you so much. Hintayin kita sa altar mamaya. Nagmamahal, Jason Abuan, ang pogi mo makakasal. 7 is our lucky number, our blessed number. On December 7, 2018, when I passed the board exam, I gave you my best. Since then, it has always been you.
It's your breath in lungs, so we rise with hope. It's your breath in lungs, so we rise, dear holy.
You are the prayer I didn't even know I was whispering back in 2014. Replace the loss of your lolo and your lola together. How I wish nakikita nila tayo ngayon kung gaano tayo kasabay. And though every trial, we remain each other's friends.
Sa harap ng Panginoon, sa harap ng mga magulang natin, sa harap ng mga ninong at ina, kaibigan at kakilala. Pinapangako ko na mamahal kita, pakinggan, iingatan, igagalak, respetuhin at ikaw pa rin.
Love perfects us. Love makes us complete. Love matures us. It allows us to see ourselves as we truly are, as God for who He truly is. Love grows us.
I still love thinking about your books, the screenshot of my caption, and those persistent messages. But when we finally met at the 7-Eleven terminal, my heart spoke clearly. Gusto mo to. I looked at you and thought about later.
Naalala ko pa kung paano tayo pinagsalpo sa screenshot at pagsabay na uwi sa kanila. Naalala ko din kung paano ka nalabas sa Doon na tayo nagkita, nung nakwento mo na nasamit mo sa iyong isipan na ako. aking panalangin. I love you, mahal na mahal kita. Clarice Carrillo.